Good morning, everybody. Here's my Ichimoku cloud chart market review of Bitcoin. And as we can see from the cloud chart, price action is still below the cloud. That indicates that we're overall bearish. The top end and bottom end of the cloud, these levels are critical resistance levels. I can see 6,717 is a significant resistance zone, as well as the top end of the cloud. If I can put that line on there, you can see that level there around about 7,200, 7,180. That's a significant resistance zone. Price action below the cloud from an Ichimoku cloud chart perspective indicates that we still have a bear market in place on Bitcoin. You can see the short-term rallies from these key support levels here at 6,000 to 6,700. That's kind of a range bound, so it's not particularly favorable from a trading perspective because it's a very tight, narrow trading range and is very choppy. So needless to say, we're still in the outlook remains bearish. We can see short-term rallies up to the bottom end of the cloud and then a sell-off to continue to the downside. We need to see the front end of the cloud to turn to the upside to start giving us a signal that this bear market is over or the correction in Bitcoin. Turning to the weekly cloud chart, we can see the positive news here is that we're above the cloud, so that's still a good thing from a weekly cloud chart perspective, but we are stuck in these trading ranges between 5,700 and 6,200 and 6,700 and 7,000. It's a very tight trading range, so there's downside risk to the top end of the cloud levels here, but it'll be interesting to see if it's going to stay around these levels. But once we get through the cloud to the downside, that will be very negative. But overall, positive outlook, uptrend remain in place from a weekly cloud chart perspective, but on the daily cloud chart, we can still see some downside to come. This choppy price action is not particularly favorable, but watch out for the 6,700 zone, and if that resistance holds, we can see a correction back from there. If it breaks past that resistance, then watch out for the 7,100 zone, that top end cloud chart resistance zone. But overall, outlook remains bearish on a daily cloud chart. Until next time, happy trading.